This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place chocks each side of the front wheel. Locate the jack head below the centre section of the rear axle and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the door sill flange. The reinforced section is indicated by an indentation in the flange. The fuel filter is located in front of the fuel tank. Gently pull the filter from the retaining clips and lower it. Note the arrow on the side of the filter indicating direction of fuel flow. Depress the release button on each side and pull the fuel pipes from the filter. Be prepared for fuel spillage. Plug the openings to prevent excessive fuel loss. Ensure the fuel flow arrow on the filter is pointing the right way. Then remove the plugs. Firmly press the fuel pipes onto the filter inlet and outlet ports. Mop up any spilled fuel, then press the filter into the retaining brackets. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground.